Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This is Dominique here. So I'm gonna do a lace wig install for you guys. Right now I'm just using 91% alcohol to clean the perimeter of my head before I apply my lace wig. So I try to get it as clean as possible, actually wiping off my makeup. Girl, you gotta get that makeup off, okay? Because all those oils will make your wig not lay flat or stay snatched. Okay, so we gotta have it snatched. I'm applying one layer of Ghost Bond glue, so I'm gonna just do that. I'm just putting it in front of my hairline, and then I'm just gonna go in and just smooth it out with my finger. I did clean my finger with alcohol as well to get the excess oils off. So you want to make sure you have no oil on your fingers. If you're going to use your fingers, you can use anything, honestly. Like a lot of people use the sticks, chopsticks, whatever they're called. But now I'm applying a second layer, and I kind of went a little heavier with this layer because I just wanted to make sure I had enough glue to secure my wig. And then I'm just going to smooth that out as well. Now I'm just taking a blow dryer on the cool setting just to blow dry clear. You want to make sure, that's the trick, ladies. You want to make sure you blow dry the glue until it's clear. Like literally, if it takes 5 minutes, go ahead and do that. There's a wig. I'm gonna put her on now. So it's just a lace frontal wig, ear to ear, that I made. Let me know in the description box if you want a wig tutorial on how I construct my wigs. So now I'm just laying my wig in front of on top of the glue, like in front of my hairline. So that's the trick, to put it in front of your hairline, because we're not trying to snatch our edges out, okay? We need our edges. Trying to grow mine back, by the way, okay? So I'm going in with a comb just to secure and flatten out the wig onto the glue, just smoothing it on there. And I'm using the blow dryer again on the cool setting, and I'm just going in, just making sure that wig is secured. Okay, it's 2020. We cannot be going out, ladies, getting our wigs snatched off or our wigs falling off. That's not cute at all, period. So now I'm just taking a razor blade that I got from like the beauty supply, and actually it's like an eyebrow razor, and I'm just cutting off the lace in like a jagged motion. You don't want to make it a perfect line. You kind of just want to get it off, like cut it off, like very messy, if that's a way of explaining. You just want to make sure it's not like a straight line. And I'm just going in with that, and this takes time, ladies. Take your time cutting off the lace. You don't want to cut off too much of it, and you want to make sure you cut as close to the hair, the actual wig where it starts, the hair. So you don't want your lace to be showing. Now I'm going to end up cutting off my ear tabs. This is a tricky part. You kind of just want to like part the wig so that it's by your ear. So you go ahead and cut around your ear. And this takes some practice. It's not easy to do, but you'll get it. Just make sure you don't cut too much off. And then I'm gonna go in on the other side. Same thing. How are you guys doing, by the way? I'm actually getting ready for All-Star Weekend here in Chicago. I'm excited. This is the first time I've like participated in any All-Star things, so that's gonna be cool and dope. And then I'm going in again and cutting off those ear tabs, ladies. So you just make sure you cut around your ear and don't cut too, like it's better to cut too less than to overcut that area, because then once you lose the lace, you're done. Once the lace is gone, it's done. So you might as well just start off slow. I'm just cutting. I've done this a couple times, so just cutting around my ear. And the lace is on, ladies. The lace is on. Normally, I would tie it with a tie at this point, like a scarf, just to secure it some more, let it melt into your skin. But this was like a new wig that I constructed, so I just did it this way. You can go in, I recommend you put it on a scarf just to lay it down more, and maybe for 15 minutes. And here I'm going in, I'm just gonna do my edges. So I'm using Got To Be gel, and I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video, okay? Make sure you like this video. If you do, subscribe to my channel down below, and follow me on my social medias, Instagram at Domomichele, and Snapchat Domomichele as well. And I hope you guys have a great one.